Hello and welcome to Molto Buono. Today we are cooking soft and creamy scrambled eggs, but we are going to intensify the taste by adding chili paprika. Take 6 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Add some salt and pepper. And now let's beat the eggs. We will use them in a minute, but first let's cut the chili paprika. It is important to cut them in small pieces. If you have sensitive skin, make sure that you wear gloves. Preferably disposable nitrile instead of latex since they are more resistant. On medium heat, I use a non-stick wok because it's easier to stir. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and add the paprika. Cook for about 1 minute until the chili paprika softens a little bit. We add the eggs and cook on medium-low temperature, stirring continuously. Breaking the newly formed chunks of eggs if you want to have fluffy and soft meal at the end. When they become creamy, they are ready. Quickly transfer them into a plate to stop the cooking. Half would be enough for one person. And to it, we can add few fresh cherry tomatoes. And also some bread. It melts in your mouth. Here and also in the description below you can find a list of ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're in a mood for another recipe, here you can find 2 other ideas for a delicious meal. Thank you and buon appetito!